Hello guys! We are now in Malaysia, Chule, Asia. Parang sobrang haba naman ito nilalakad. More than 10 minutes na ako naglalakad. Wala pa rin sa immigration, ganun kalaki yung airport nila. Okay, hold on. I'll see you outside the airport. Nandito tayo sa food court nila para makapili tayo. Where do you want to eat, guys? Nandito tayo ngayon sa food court. Sarap ng pagkain dito. Parang gusto ko ito yung turo-turo style, oh. Ito na kaya ako. Oh, meron silang Yong Tau Fu dito. Ito yung kinakain ko nung madalas nung nakatira ko sa Singapore. Kasi ito lang yung budget ko. Ito na lang kaya kainin ko. Para throwback. So, Yong Tau Fu is para siyang malatang. Teka, hirap mag-decide ah. Balikan ko kaya. There's food in Malaysia. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bukas ko na rin kukwento. Okay. Alright. Much better. Lumipat ako ng hotel kasi yung hotel na una naming tinirhan dito sa Kuala Lumpur, mabaho. Tsaka may mga amag. Tsaka, ewan ko, parang ang bigat ng pakiramdam. Alam mo yan, may mga lugar na pinapasukan mo tapos biglang parang mararamdaman mo parang something's off. That's how it feels like for me. I decided to transfer to a different hotel. Also close to the previous hotel that we checked in. You know, for your comfort. At saka mura lang din naman yung hotel dito. Itong hotel room na to nasa in pesos, like 2,000 a night. Not bad. We're staying at Sleeping Lion. It's close to the Pavilion Mall. And we're still at the city center. Okay, so my family, they're still staying at the old hotel. And they're waiting for their confirmation whether to transfer to a different hotel or not. But I chose to transfer myself for my comfort. The thing is, hindi man tayo nag-iinarte. Define maarte. Importante sa akin yung tulog, comfort. Last night, habang nandun kami sa dating hotel, parang mabigat yung pakiramdam. Tapos, nakakatulog ka, pero nagigising ka. And then, tulog-gising. Tsaka, yung amoy, may mga cheaper option naman na kasama yung comfort at yung cleanliness. Okay? Yan. Hindi naman kamahalan yung hotel na nilipatan ko. And may extra budget naman tayo, so why not? At least malinis. Right? And it smells good. And we're so close to everything. Am I maarte? I'm reasonable. And I don't need to explain myself. Anywho, it's 1:46 p.m. We'll meet them around 3 p.m. We'll probably just go around the city center of Kuala Lumpur. Just around the area. So, this is my second time here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. But my family, this is their first time. That's why I want them to have a really good first impression of this city, Kuala Lumpur. That's why I really want them to find a better option for their accommodation tonight. Yeah. So, bakit kami hindi magkakasama ngayon? Yung tatay ko kasi member siya ng isang vacation club. And he used his points to book that hotel. Parang hindi maganda yung napili niyang hotel. So he's just waiting for his agent to call him back and to transfer them to a different hotel. I already booked my hotel because wala lang, I just needed my comfort. I'm also close by. Malapit lang din naman kami sa isa't isa. So anytime we need each other, we can just walk 10 minutes. Yeah. Anywho, shower muna tayo. Let's freshen up and yeah, cozy up. All right. We are now walking on the streets of Kuala Lumpur to pick up our parents, and then we're gonna go around Kuala Lumpur. First glimpse of the streets. Well, hindi naman first glimpse. Last night kasi taxi lang tayo. Pero now, first time natin maglakad sa streets of Kuala Lumpur. Hello guys, we're now at KLCC. May maganda kasi dito viewpoint of Petronas Tower. And that's where we're going. Laki nitong mall na to ah. Wait lang, mali pala yung nilabasan natin. Lumabas tayo sa mismong Petronas Tower. It's right above us. So let's get a much better viewpoint. Doon tayo sa dulo para makita natin Petronas Tower. Key right behind us. Look. There it is. But tingin tayo ng mas magandang viewpoint. Alright? Alright. Let's go further para mas ma-appreciate natin siya. So we can get the whole Petronas Tower. Okay. Ito na yung pinakamalayo na kaya kong lakarin. Or else, tatawid na tayo sa kabila. We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that. We're here now. Welcome to Petronas Towers, my friends. Towers, because plural, right? Duh. You know what? Pangalawang beses ko na itong nakita. Pero parang first time yung pakiramdam. May dating siya talaga. Awesome. So, I paid 65 ringgit. Wait, magkano ba yung 65 ringgit? That's 780 pesos sa pera natin. Fried carrot cake, fried oyster omelette, a noodle something, and of course laksa. Finally, nakakuha na sila ng a much better room. I think they even got upgraded. So, thank goodness. So, let's see the room. I'm not gonna be staying here. I'll be staying at Sleeping Lang. Natin. There's a door and another entrance? Huh. Okay, what's in here? Okay, so we got a kitchen. What's this door? Hold on. Ano ba to? Here's the thing. Mas malinis to. Mas malinis siya. This is way better. Yeah. This is... the bathroom looks good. It's in the... parang retro side siya. But this is way better. Way better. Yeah. way better than the first one. Ito lang naman yung gusto natin, yung malinis, yung walang amoy. Yeah, this is way better. Hindi naman tayo nanghahanap ng extra, sobrang luxury. Gusto lang natin malinis. Gusto lang natin mabango. And I think this is way better. Way better. It's clean. Walang amoy. There's towels. And much better. Plus, hindi na natin kailangan ng adapter. Kasi pwede na yung saksakan natin. I will be staying somewhere there. Mga 10 minutes walk ang distansya ko sa kanila. Good. Buti na lang din, nagbook ako sa ibang hotel kasi walang couch. Wala akong matutulugang couch. Hindi kami magkakasya, so okay na yan. Wait, kailangan ko muna mag-charge ng camera. Okay. Hello guys. Umalis na tayo ng Sleeping Lion sa Bukit Bintang at lumipat tayo ito sa malapit sa KLCC Mall. We can still see KL Tower from here. And Petronas Tower over there. Well, one of the towers. So we're gonna stay here for one night kasi bukas uwi na tayo. Balik na tayong Pilipinas. I'm just waiting for my family. We're gonna stay in this apartment. It's a pretty nice location. Pretty good neighborhood. And oh, by the way, I recommend Sleeping Lion. I think it's a brand new hotel in Bukit Bintang. Hindi siya ganun kamahal. It's not pricey. It's a reasonable price and you get so much good deal with your money. It was parang 2,000 per night and it was such a good deal for your money. It's clean, it's modern, it's smack in the middle of the city center. A lot of food choices, food options, and if you're into shopping, like Pavilion Mall and the TRX Mall, literally like a few minutes away. So I recommend Sleeping Lion. Also, this apartment that we're staying in right now, I also recommend this because it's also I think we're like 5 minutes away from KLCC Mall and the park. I will link all the accommodations on the description box, and as early as now I want to say thank you for watching and making it this far in the video. Thank you so much for watching. Alright, I think we're going to eat seafood today. We're at Alor Street or Jalan Alor. So tabi-tabi yung mga kainan dito. Pusit! That is what I want to eat tonight. Okay, I'll get back to you guys. This one.
Barbecue.
Yeah, what? Tabi lang yung kainan. Pero gusto ko pang kumain. Siguro isa pang puset saka oyster. Damn. I don't feel good. If you reached this far in the video, I want to say thank you so much. That means you enjoyed watching this video, flying back to Manila. So I'm just truly blessed to come and experience Bali and Kuala Lumpur. I really am trying my best to improve myself in making these videos. I know that I don't have a lot of subscribers yet. If you're seeing me for the very first time and watching me right now, thank you so much for choosing my channel and choosing this video and clicking on this video. And I hope that you enjoyed Kuala Lumpur with me, because I did. I enjoyed Kuala Lumpur. Just the food alone is... the food is amazing here in Kuala Lumpur. People here are nice. And as always, peace and love.